Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coursewala. Today we'll learn how to record the macros in Excel and edit the same. So you have to go to the developer tab and you can see here a record macro. Click on it. It will ask you can give any name. Test one, whatever it may be. Say OK, and here I'll say test my name, etc. Then stop recording. So once you stop recording, you can go to the view code and you will find the module macro, the test record, test one here. So just I'll replace this text to my demo and my name Pankaj. So that's it. Now I'll save this and go back to the Excel. It's okay, you can just directly go to the Excel and you can run the macro directly. Macros, you will have test one, run it. That's it. There you go. Thank you for watching.